Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Myra. I hope you guys are doing great. I'm back with another video. This is day 3 of Ramadan Kareem. I hope you are fasting. And if you're not, then maybe you should give it a try, right? It's really good for your health. So, आपको तमिल से पता चल ही गया होगा what we are going to talk about today. सी बेसिकली जो कश्मीर है ना, इसको पिरवर बोला जाता है, विच इज़ अ कश्मीरी वर्ड. एंड इफ़ आई जस्ट ट्रांसलेट इट सिंपली, इट मीन्स ए लैंड ऑफ सेंट्स, राइट. कश्मीर में बहुत सारे सेंट्स आए हैं फ्रॉम ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड. इवन चाइना, देर इज़ पीपल लाइक अब्दुल कादिर जीलानी, एंड दे हैव, उन्होंने क़याम किया है यहाँ पे. क़याम मीन्स दे हैव जस्ट स्टेड हियर फॉर सम टाइम, फॉर पीपल, फॉर पर्पसेस लाइक meditation, remembering God, because this is a very tranquil place, right? Surrounded by mountains, and you can imagine it might be really good for like concentrating, meditation, remembering God, leaving the world behind. It's a beautiful place. You should come visit if you've not. So यहाँ पे ये जो incident हुआ, right? लोग सेंट्स के पीछे अभी भी भागते हैं, बट द प्रॉब्लम्स एंड दे टर्न टू गैरुल्लाह, राइट. गैरुल्लाह वी से people other than God. And when you turn to Gairullah, things are gonna go south. एंड ये जो आदमी है, ये इसका नाम था रज़ाक बाबा. एंड इसने रज़ा बाबा, when he was little, he decided to इसको कुछ करना था अपनी ज़िंदगी में, and he decided to why don't I become a Baba? It was a good career opportunity. His parents didn't realize at that time. जैसे कि आपने सुना ही होगा, like IIT बाबा जो थे, he's going very viral right now. What a smart man, and he chose this career choice, right? It's a career choice in today's world. Can you believe it? Like 2025 में हम अभी भी ये बात कर रहे हैं. Who would have imagined? But anyway, जो रज़ाक बाबा है, हमारे कश्मीरी बाबा, जिन्होंने कश्मीरी ब्रेन रॉट बहुत ही आला दर्जे का प्रोड्यूस किया, जो रज़ाक बाबा है, इनके लिए सब अभी तक ठीक ठाक ही चल रहा था. नोबडी वाज इंटरफेयरिंग इन हिज बिजनेस until he decided to tell his followers कि I'm gonna make a Kaaba 2.0. Mind boggling, right? Isko obviously people would donate money like they do all the time to their favorite babas for solving their problems. This is so dated. Papa ko obviously, I wonder if he had told. So he had his sidekicks, obviously inke hote hain, and he built this. Long story short, he built this Kaaba 2.0 Nauzubillah, which looked almost like it. Kaaba is it's a big mega structure, right? Billions and billions of dollars have been invested in it, and you cannot produce the exact same. But anyway, I'm just saying that he did try to replicate it, and whoever that idiot was, whoever those idiots were who replicated it without thinking about the consequences. Anyway, what they did is, when people realized, sane people, when they realized that this is happening. If you are not aware, Kaaba is a holy site for Muslims, right? It is it is the most important pilgrimage site for Muslims. We go there to perform a Hajj, which is the circumambulation. Is that what you call it? तवाफ करते हैं हम. तो ये काफ़ी ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट साइट है. एंड जब लोगों को पता चला कि दिस साइट हैज़ बीन, somebody has tried to replicate the site, what happened is people went there and they destroyed this monument structure. They destroyed it, and इसके बाद काफ़ी मीडिया ने कवरेज दी इस चीज़ को, काफ़ी वायरल हुआ ये. people interviewed him, and very clearly he is a mentally unstable person. What I think here is, I felt really sad, obviously, because they said that most of the people that were following him consist of women, right? The majority followers were women. That saddened me a lot, and I think it's time for women of Kashmir. It's not just women of Kashmir. ये हमारी responsibility भी है. I'm a woman. This is our responsibility to guide these people who seem to be lost, right? It's our responsibility that we tell them ki you are never going to find, if you don't find anything अगर तुम्हारी लाइफ में कोई ऐसा फेज चल रहा है कि यू डोंट सी, इट डजंट सीम लाइक यू आर इन कंट्रोल, मे बी जस्ट लेट गो, राइट? मे बी लर्न द आर्ट ऑफ एक्सेप्टिंग इट। एंड तो व्हाट आई वाज सेइंग इज, ये हमारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी भी है कि हम अपने फैमिली मेंबर्स को, अगर वो ऐसी पाथ पे जा रहे हैं, उनको गाइड करें। तो आफ्टर दिस structure was destroyed, I couldn't help but go back in time, and I realized something that I had read in Surah Fil, right? Surah Fil में अबराहा जो है, he wanted to build another Kaaba, right? Because Kaaba is a place which is generating so much money. It's a blessing from Allah for the country of Saudi Arabia, obviously. It's a like $1 million country, but a lot of money is also being generated because of the people traveling to the holy site, obviously. So Abraha, when he wanted to make another Kaaba, he wanted to destroy the real Kaaba, right? He said ki if I destroy this Kaaba, people will come to my Kaaba. It is also said that he built it. Long story short, he went to destroy the Kaaba after that. And उस टाइम पे our last prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was not born yet, okay? And उस टाइम पे prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam के grandfather हुआ करते थे, उनका नाम अब्दुल मुत्तलिब था. He was a chief man of the area, right? And it is said, something beautiful that I wanted to mention here is, when Abraha went with his army of elephants, which was which is which is what he was known for, to have he had an army of elephants. It was very strong army. So when he went there, it is said that he was face to face with Abdul Muttalib, and it is said that he let him speak, right? And what Abdul Muttalib said is, he said to Abraha, the king who was there, who was on the verge of destroying their city, he said, return me my camels. On hearing that, Abraha, the king, was very surprised, and also he was disappointed at the same time. And he said to Abdul Muttalib that, what kind of a man you are. So I'm just interpreting it in my own language. I'm not quoting it. So he told him, what kind of a man are you? I thought you're going to intercede for Kaaba, but you're talking about your own camels. Is that how selfish you are? So on that, Abdul Muttalib jo hai wo bolte hai ki, do you know who I am the owner of my camels. Do you know who the owner of the Kaaba is? It's Allah himself, right? The creator, the destroyer, the creator. He's going to take care of it himself. On that, this is a very legendary remark that he makes. So this is the amount of faith that these people have, that these people had, and yahi amount of faith is what we are lacking right now. Jo Abraha hai, it is said that he does, whether he returns the camels or not, he proceeds to after this conversation, he proceeds to destroy the Kaaba. But what Allah does is he sends an army of swallows, ababil, right? We don't know whether these are special kind of ababil, or these are it's the creator of the universe, right? He can do anything he wants. So this is mentioned in Surah Fil, which means the elephant. You can read it if you want. So what Allah does is he sends an army of ababil, and these ababil carry a very special kind of stone in their mouth, and from the top these birds throw these stones on top of the soldiers, right? And it is said ki is stone mein God bestows such a power that his stone tears through the body of all of the soldiers, and it destroys the army in minutes. So I think there is so much that we can learn from this. There is lessons of faith, how our faith should be. There is a lesson that we shouldn't mess with holy things. We shouldn't mess with things that we do not understand. There total का एक बहुत ही famous quote है, I know that I don't know anything, right? The smarter I get, so I'm interpreting it in my own words. The smarter I get, the more I know that I don't know anything. I wanted to talk about it. आज माह रमजान का day 3rd है, and I just wanted to share something nice. So please, I hope that you like this video, and I'm still a newbie in this thing. Please subscribe to my channel so that I can keep making these videos, because I like making videos. Like this video. Thank you. Bye bye. If you have suggestions, I'm going to leave the comments open. Do suggest me. Thank you. Bye bye. Wassalam. God bless.